Sepi Christian back again, and today with our crypto stuff we've come back, and I don't want you to get worried. You don't need to be worried where I'm at. I'm here now right about talking about cryptocurrency. So today I'm going to just show you a little bit of trading on how you can trade on Binance, on futures, spot, and you can do spot trading, futures, and margin trading on Binance. I'm gonna go to my computer and I'm going to be showing you how we do it. So this is my computer, and as you can see there's an open trade near against USDT. So what you're going to do, you're going to come click that setting place, choose any format you want your display. Traditional, we have fresh, we have color, vision, deficiency. So what I normally use, I use advanced. You can use advanced, and the other one just leave it as fresh. I will normally prefer fresh. Then you just click advanced. You can see the chart here. We're seeing the way how NIA is trying to retrace back, but it was its all-time high, which is around 1660, 16.60, and in 24 hours it has been performing poorly. It has been dropping. So but this is a state. Actually NIA is a potential coin which you guys can buy. I'm not recommending it, but I'm trying to, according to the analysis, they have seen it. I've been seeing it in the few days back. It has been increasing. So you're going to have to come on, in Binance you can trade limit, market, and OCO. So you're going to have to come on this right side. You're going to see limit, market, and OCO. So on limit, you put a price. On limit where you want, maybe if you want to sell, you put a price where you want your NIA to be sold. You limit. Even you can even go to sleep, and when you come back, you find that it has been sold. So on market, you have once you click sell, you click 100%, the order will be executed automatically. So you don't with the current price available, the most current price available, to be executed. So for the stop limit, you have to set a high price. Also come back here, set the lowest price. You make sure the stop loss, you put a stop loss limit where if like the coin drops more than that, you just need to cancel that order. So the order will be cancelled automatically. Or that you can set it in your Binance account. So I think this is the safest way to trade, and I think most of the traders use this kind of trading. So for the OCO, you have to set also a limit, but for it controls, it avoids risk. So it's more feasible than the other three modes of trading. So you also have to trade, like you put limits of trade. Now let me tell you guys, the times have changed. The way how your grandfathers, your father, I don't know, the way how they used to invest, the times have changed. Now this is a totally different generation. The way how people invest have changed, and if you don't change, you'll be scrolled and you'll be left out. You'll be ripped off, like how Nixon took off the dollar of the gold standard, and money became lead. So all other things which you must financially be knowing, like you acquire that financial knowledge and make sure that you follow the trend, because the trend is your friend.